Circadian bloom, chronobiological timekeeping, poetic time, directional interspecies, communication exercise. Their language evades us. Use the idophone. Sing in the language of flowers. Dandelions. Purple wreaths and honeysuckles coil, twist, and oscillate in alternation, day and night. Their grammatical structures are the cycle of life. Born among cabbages, not roses. Reverse delegated roles, end patriarchal logic. Hide your body, reveal nothing, transform yourself into an abstract entity. Rebel. Emancipate from consumerist desire or consumerist expectations. Wood, rush, glass beads, three-dimensional, didactic encyclopedia, paper mache and other materials, affordable prices, high quality of detail. Floral corollas, brutalist architecture, singing to flowers at the confines of rationality. Delicate vegetation, art brute. Hortus delicarium, the fantasy of imaginary species. Trances and tremors punctuate their prayers. Flat brooms were no longer means of locomotion. Stop designing vehicles, possessed souls. Reclaimed creatures stitched together by Dr. Vic, hybrid beings, free from standardized production. Nada doesn't need his glasses. The violence of...
This doesn't make any sense.
There are poems from redacted captions.
How do you know?
The directors told me.
Why didn't tell me? I am the curator.
Because otherwise we wouldn't be having this dialogue.
Okay. Great.
Behind these doors lies a miniature garden, where flowers offer eternal sleep. It's closed, its air must not be breathed, its flowers cannot be touched, nor its fruits consumed. The penalty? Imminent death. I'm Ned Ludd. Clandestine cryptology, yet to be deciphered. Discreet. I am Spartacus.
I am Spartacus.
Time is the substance I am made of.
The bouquet is a document needing to be deciphered, reinterpreted, a testament to its frailty. Its flowers fade, victims of enforced identity.
But I am the tiger.
Sub rosa, sub rose. Resistant, resilient, Rose and Rosa, no longer sub.
But I am the fire.
Young men who lie with gods turn into blossoms. Be a man.
Walk like this.
Grit your teeth, don't cry. Smell like roses? Play girl games? Erect yourself. Be angry. Don't show your fear. Don't show your love. Be a man. Can't I enjoy the flowers? Foxy flower, bulbous roots. Foxy flower, erotic antiquity. Foxy flower, play with its bulbs, babe.